Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today, we have 3 work from home opportunities just for you. The first work from home opportunity comes from the company Corporate Tools. They're looking for a filing assistant. It pays up to $16 an hour. Corporate Tools in Post Falls, Idaho is hiring a filing assistant to support the corporate filings department. You will assist the team by uploading necessary filing related documentation, updating registration data, and filing records. In addition to supporting the team, you will be responsible for your own performance in managing the successful problem solving and completion of all IRS filings as well as annual compliance filings. Communication with clients and internal teams will be required. Must be able to adjust to PST. 100% remote opportunity. This position is 100% remote from day one. We have some constraints with what this means. Due to payroll restrictions, you must reside in one of the following states: Alaska, Arkansas, Arizona, Colorado, Delaware, Florida, Hawaii, Idaho, Indiana, Maine, Minnesota, Missouri, Montana, North Carolina, Nevada, Oklahoma, Oregon, Texas, Utah, Virginia, Washington, or Wyoming. Wage starting at $16 per hour. Responsibilities: process and scan inbound mail related to client accounts, filings, and vehicle registrations. Create client packets, create shipping labels, and process outbound mail. Retrieve and upload required or missing filing documentation or vehicle registrations into company software. Keep client files up to date by consistently documenting client interactions and documentation. Process check requests as needed. Manage and submit all IRS and federal filings as well as state compliance filings as needed. Communicate in a clear and timely manner with filings team when problems arise or assistance is needed. Clearly and professionally answer inbound client inquiries over the phone and via email, helping educate clients on their corporate filing requirements and complete filing forms. Learn and retain knowledge on filing specific requirements. Hit position metrics for filings. Upload work with no minimal errors. Requirements: collaborative and coachable. Excellent attention to detail. Self-motivated and quick learner. Excellent customer service with the ability to listen critically. Knowledge of computers and the ability to navigate systems to gather information. Strong verbal and written communication and problem-solving skills. Benefits: 100% employer-paid medical, dental, and vision for employees. Annual cost of living increase. Annual review with raise option. 22 PTO days to be used for holidays, sick leave, vacation, etc. 4 paid holidays off of your choosing. Paid maternity and paternity leave. 4% company matching 401k with no vesting period. Quarterly employee allowance. Creative environment where you can make a difference. No dumb benefits like free dog walking on the weekends that snobby hipster places have to make you feel cool, but mathematically won't cost the company much money because you won't use it. An office benefit: trail mix bar, oh yeah. For more about what we do here at Corporate Tools, check out our website, https://www.corportools.com/. Job type: full-time. Pay from $16 per hour. Benefits: 401k, 401k matching, dental insurance, health savings account, life insurance, paid time off, parental leave, vision insurance. Schedule: 8-hour shift, day shift, Monday to Friday. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Moffat & Moffat PLLC. They're looking for a fully remote title abstractor. It pays up to $25 an hour. We are currently seeking an experienced part-time title examiner abstractor for a remote or in-person position with our busy real estate law firm. Must have a minimum of 5 years experience in searching North Carolina title and or Tennessee title. Schedule and hours are somewhat flexible, but must be available for some portion of the 8 a.m. 5 p.m. EST/MF work schedule of the office. Possibility of full-time work in the future if wanted. duties will include, but are not limited to, knowledge of title standards and ability to search real estate records in North Carolina and/or Tennessee, examine deeds, deeds of trust, surveys, liens, judgments, easements, and plats, maps to determine ownership, encumbrances, and to verify legal descriptions of property. Search, analyze, and evaluate records relating to titles of homes, manufactured homes, land, and buildings. Prepare title reports outlining title-related matters based on research into one PDF document and prepare the initial title opinion for attorney review. Looking for someone with the following: 1. Meticulous attention to detail. 2. Good organizational, analytical, and time management skills. 3. Ability to multitask and organize workload while meeting deadlines. 4. Excellent written and verbal communication skills. 5. Strong computer skills, able to adapt to and proficiently use various registry search platforms. 6. Energetic and cooperative with the ability to work with others in a team environment. Job type, part-time. Pay from $25 per hour. Schedule, self-determined schedule.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description
Below under job number 2 so you can
apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have
more job leads here on this video and every single
day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Multiplan Inc. They're looking for a data intake associate. It pays up to $17 an hour. Founded in 1980, Multiplan is the industry's most comprehensive provider of healthcare cost management solutions. We provide the most comprehensive portfolio of cost management solutions, helping payers manage the cost of care. We are seeking multiple temporary associates for an intake position. This is a temporary position which is expected to last 60 to 120 days. The expected start date is September 19, 2022. A training class is provided during the first week of employment. New employees will need to work 8 to 4:30 p.m. CT during the training. After training, there is flexibility in the work schedule. Responsibilities: intake and create cases in all applicable systems. Perform timely data entry of necessary information. Perform adjustments on medical claims. Perform outreach to customers to obtain necessary details on medical claims. Research appropriate systems to identify data needed to complete cases. Ensure compliance with HIPAA regulations and requirements. Demonstrate company's core competencies and values held within. Please note, due to the exposure of FI-sensitive data, this role is considered to be a high-risk role. The position responsibilities outlined above are in no way to be construed as all-encompassing. Other duties, responsibilities, and qualifications may be required and/or assigned as necessary. Requirements: high school diploma or equivalent. Ability to efficiently use a keyboard and quickly navigate software applications. High-speed internet access. Quiet work area without distractions. Regular and consistent attendance and adherence to work schedule. Knowledge of medical insurance terminology preferred. Communication skills. Ability to work without frequent supervision. Ability to maintain confidentiality in all required situations. Ability to use software, hardware, and peripherals related to job responsibilities. Our commitment to diversity, inclusion, and belonging are part of the fabric of our company. We strive to create a workplace that fosters mutual respect and collaboration, where every talented individual can participate and perform their best work. We are Multiplan, and we are where bright people come to shine.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description
below under job number 3 so you can
apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have
more job leads here on this channel every single day.
So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.